my friends. So we're off-site at the undisclosed, the undisclosed location for an update on the Explorer, the Saleen Explorer Sport. So you can probably see the update is I hit a deer. Now I've had really bad luck with deer. I've had 4 collisions with deer. I used to drive an old Grand Cherokee. The first accident, I slammed on the brakes, just kind of love tapped the deer. He ran off, no harm, no foul, no damage, fine, good. Second accident with a deer. I was driving a 2006 F-150, you guys have seen it. My son drives it now, and deer runs out, slam on the brakes, hit it, run it over, minimal damage. Tiny little kink in the bumper, the chrome bumper of that F-150. Wouldn't even know it was there if I hadn't told you. Third accident with a deer. I was driving the F-150. I'm going about 40 miles an hour, and a huge buck runs out of the side of the road about 40 miles an hour. No brakes, no nothing, huge collision. And I will insert some pictures right here of that accident. My goodness, tons of damage. And now number 4 is this. And I used to work nights, and I used to think that it was the first 2 accidents were literally very, very late at night, early in the morning. But the accident with the F-150 that I showed you the pics of was at 6:30 at night, and this here was at about approximately 8:30 in the morning. So there's really no rhyme or reason to it. You can see my custom grill with the Saleen logo here, trashed. This headlight is broken. We had to unplug it because it was shorting out both headlights. They got water in it. The bumper here this got pushed back into the structure behind it, and it's actually dented. You can see it's dented right here, and the paint is cracked a bunch of places. This grill is broken, trashed, and this is one-piece grill. If you remember, 1, 2, 3 stock was all one piece. So that's all gonna have to be replaced. We go over to this side over here, and I don't even know how this is possible, but the hood kinked the fender. It's kinked here, and it's got a big kink in it down here. But the hood, there's no paint transfer, there's no damage here to the hood. So, new decals, a whole new bumper cover. The estimate is $4,600 and counting, and I don't even think they factored in the fender when they did the estimate. So yeah, awesome. So there's the Explorer update. I'll give you some pictures of it as it gets fixed. So yeah, very unhappy update for the Ford Explorer Sport. I'm telling you, I'm so angry. I was like, again? Really? Another deer? Again? Accident number 4. Awesome.